A portable mini washing machine is a compact and convenient appliance designed to provide a practical solution for washing small loads of laundry. It offers a compact alternative to traditional washing machines, making it an ideal choice for individuals or households with limited space, frequent travelers, or those in need of a portable laundry solution. One of the key features of a portable mini washing machine is its small size and lightweight design. These machines are typically much smaller than standard washing machines, allowing them to fit in tight spaces such as small apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or boats. Their compact nature also makes them easy to store when not in use, as they can be tucked away in a closet or under a sink. Despite their small size, portable mini washing machines are equipped with various functions and settings to provide efficient and effective cleaning. They typically offer options for different wash cycles, water levels, and even a gentle wash for delicate items. While they may not have the same capacity as full-sized washing machines, they are capable of handling small loads of laundry, such as a few garments, undergarments, or baby clothes. One of the advantages of portable mini washing machines is their portability. Many models are designed with built-in handles or carry straps, making them easy to transport. This feature is particularly beneficial for frequent travelers or individuals living in temporary accommodations, such as hotels or vacation rentals. You can easily bring the mini washing machine with you and do your laundry on the go, without relying on shared laundry facilities or laundromats. Operating a portable mini washing machine is relatively simple. Most models have user-friendly controls and interfaces, allowing you to select the desired settings and start the wash cycle with ease. Some machines are manually operated and require you to fill the machine with water and drain it manually, while others have automatic water inlet and drainage systems for added convenience. Portable mini washing machines are also known for their energy and water efficiency. Due to their smaller size, they require less water and detergent compared to traditional washing machines. This not only saves resources, but also reduces utility costs. Additionally, the shorter wash cycles of portable mini washing machines save time and energy. It's important to note that while portable mini washing machines are convenient and practical, they may not be suitable for washing large or heavily soiled items. Their smaller size and limited capacity make them better suited for quick and light washing needs. For more substantial loads, it may still be necessary to use a regular-sized washing machine or visit a laundromat. In short, a portable mini washing machine offers a compact, portable, and convenient solution for washing small loads of laundry. With their space-saving design, versatility, and ease of use, they provide a practical alternative for individuals or households with limited space or those who frequently travel. While they may not replace full-sized washing machines entirely, portable mini washing machines are a valuable addition to simplify your laundry routine and provide greater flexibility. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. See you tomorrow.